Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Parrot Linux in VirtualBox for hacking. So let's start. Step first, we are going to download VirtualBox. Okay, so here VirtualBox. Okay, click here Oracle VM and next click here download and choose your host. We are going to download in Windows host. Okay, so click on Windows and we can see that download is start. After downloading, click next and install it on your PC. Okay. After downloading VirtualBox, we are going to download Parrot OS. Okay, Parrot Linux. Click here. Click Parrot OS Download Home Edition. Okay, so here opens download Parrot OS 4.9.1. Okay, that is latest. So click here direct download. This first one we have to download. Okay, click direct download, and after clicking that, we can see that downloading is start. Okay, is of 1.7 GB. So it will take time. We will wait for this. When both VirtualBox and Parrot OS is downloaded, then we have to go on our screen and open Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, so I was installed here. Okay, click on VirtualBox. Okay, then click on next if here new. Okay, if new option is not here, then you have to click on tools. You will get the new option. Okay, and click on new. Okay, choose here the write the name Parrot OS. Okay, and type we have to choose Linux. Okay, Linux, and version choose according to your PC. You have to choose version like my PC version is 64 bit, so I have to choose Debian 64 bit. Okay, then check your PC version from here. Click on PC, right click here on PC and properties. Okay, you can see that here 64 bit operating system. 64 bit. Okay, click next and choose the RAM size. Okay, 4 GB, 4996. Okay, MB. Okay, then next, and then create VDI VirtualBox image. Okay, next, then click next. Okay, and choose the disk size. So I am going to choose 150. Okay, here and create. Okay, now here we can see that Parrot OS is installed in our VirtualBox. Not full installed. Now we are going to install this Parrot OS fully. So go to setting option. Okay, setting, go to storage and empty. Click on this icon. Choose this first icon. First option, choose create a virtual disk. Okay, and click on add. Choose Parrot home. Okay, I was downloaded it, so it is in download files. Okay, Parrot home, choose and open it. This choose. Now click on power. Okay, here Parrot OS we are going to click. Okay, so it's running. Choose here install by arrow key. You have to do this by your arrow key. Install and enter. Choose install with GTX GUI. Okay, third option. choose the language English, continue, and look, select your location according to your country. So I am from India, so I have to choose other. Okay, other option and continue, and Indian Ocean. Okay, continue. Yeah, then I continue, and United States. Okay, this United States, continue, and again continue, American English. You have to wait. Okay, now here see, here it is asking for passwords. Okay, so we have to write down a password by yourself. Okay, so I am putting password here. You have to remember this password. Okay, now continue. Wait, here re-enter password. Okay, same password. Okay, you have to remember this password and continue. Okay, here asking for username. Okay, so username, you have to give a username. Okay, and continue. Okay, continue. Again here you have to give a password, same password here and in this box also, and continue. Choose first option and continue. Okay, then again continue, and here choose first option, all files in one partitions. Okay, continue, and again continue, and here we have to choose no option, it is already, and here we have to choose a yes and continue. Here we can see the system is installing. Okay, we have to wait here, can take a time. Finally we have to choose yes option and click continue. Okay, and choose enter device manual. No, we have to choose second option and continue. Okay, so installing GRUV, finishing the installations. We have to wait, and now choose continue. Okay, so we have to wait. This will take a time, we have to wait. Finally this step is done. You can see the Parrot OS. Okay, now sign in by previous username and password. Okay, we have to do here. Okay, so finally Parrot OS is installed. You can see the resolution of window is not in full screen. So for this we will reboot and install VirtualBox by the given command in terminal. Okay, so we are going to do this. We have to open our terminal. Here is terminal, open, and make sure that you are connected with internet. Okay, go apt update and enter. Okay, they're asking password, you have to give password, enter. Okay, after completing this, we are going to give a command sudo apt install virtualbox hyphen guest test hyphen x11. Okay, and enter. Give command y, enter. Have to wait. And last command sudo reboot now, enter. The last command. Okay, now finally we will get a full screen. Have to wait here. Give password here. System is rebooted, and now click here view option. Okay, here view and full screen mode. Okay, and save. So here we can see the Parrot OS is in full screen. Yes, it is working. Finally, this process is completed, and now you can work on Parrot OS. Okay. So if any doubt or any question, you can ask in comment box, or you can directly email to me. Okay. So thanks for watching this video.